Musamseleku and his wives, when they are starting Utando Nestembu season 1, they don't have a lot of money. If you look at Makumalo, Machele, and Mayeni's houses in Muzumbe was not yet finished. But Makumalo managed to renovate her house because her house was not looking good. Those wives, they are getting salaries each and every month. So Makumalo knows how to use their own money. That's why you see Makumalo's house inside and Macele's house inside was looking more beautiful because they were using their own money. But when it comes to Mangwabe and Mayeni, they are waiting for Musamseleko. Even they are getting salaries, but Macele and Mangwabe, they don't want to use their salaries. Mayeni, she was employed in government and Mangwabe, and they are getting salaries on that program, but they don't want to use their money like Macele and Makumalo. When we watch Utando Nestembo season 1, Makumalo was asking money to buy groceries each and every month to Musamseleko. But now Makumalo, she doesn't ask any money to Musamseleko. Makumalo showed to be matured than other wives because Makumalo take opportunities to be on that program, and she was already a celebrity. She was getting braids to advertise. Makumalo joined Housewives of Durban. She opened a program with Macele Ozemshado. She was trying to make an extra money. That's why you saw Makumalo, she is successful because she take that opportunity to be Musamseleku's wives than other wives. Now Mangwabe, Mayeni, and Macele, they are still waiting for Musamseleku to do something for them than Makumalo. Because when you take that opportunity to be Musamseleku's wives, Musamseleku open a program for them to benefit. But those wives, they don't want to take opportunity. Mayeni, she is not like that who can be a content creator like Makumalo. But Makumalo saw that to be a content creator, especially to join other programs, because other wives, they look like they are judging Makumalo to be on Housewives of Durban. On Housewives of Durban, there are many things are happened. That's why Makumalo, she quit. But Makumalo loves to make an extra money. That's why you saw after 5 years, after 3 years, Makumalo, she was starting gaining. She was starting, you've got her own businesses than other wives, because Makumalo, she is always hands on, because at that time their houses was not yet finished. Look at Makumalo's house in Muzumbe. Yes, Musamseleku want them to paint in a same color. Makumalo's house, Makumalo, Mayeni, and Mangwabe, their houses are not the same. Makumalo's house is different than Mayeni and Mangwabe's house, because Mangwabe, she is always waiting for Musamseleku to renovate a house for her, and Musamseleku have got his own budgets, but Makumalo can renovate the way she want. Makumalo's house in Muzumba, until now, that house is still beautiful more than other wives' houses. Guys, when Musamseleku was shooting the content on season 9, we saw some of the tiles are being broken outside. Musamseleku says Muzumbe is perish what. It was Mayeni and Mangwabe's house. Mayeni and Mangwabe's house. Mayeni and Mangwabe, they are not, don't take care of their properties. I don't understand them. Even when they saw the window is broken, we saw on season 8, Mayeni was shooting the content at her house with Musamseleko. So her window was broken. Mayeni was waiting for Musamseleko to fix that window. But when you look at Makumalo's house in Muzumbe, we didn't see any window broken, because Makumalo, she was using her money to fix that window than to wait for Musamseleko. Sometimes Mayeni and Mangwabe, they look like they are a burden to Musamseleko, because they keep demanding to him, but they have got two salaries. They got salary on Utando Nestembo, and they have got their own salaries at work. but they are keeping demanding to him than Makhumalo and Macele.